At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
Hi, my name is Leah DeVelvis. I'm a student here at Vantage Career Center and I'm in the Auto Collision Repair Lab, and my home school is Delta St. John's. I chose this lab because I get to be creative while also learning a hands-on trade that can benefit me in the future. Every day we come in here and we're always doing something a little bit different. It can range from as far as buffing and polishing to sanding and filling and painting. If you're passionate about cars, refinishing old and new, creative, love to paint, or aren't afraid to get dirty, this is the perfect lab for you.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.